some reason that sounds so weird when I say it. A little bit. I'll leave this here so you guys can enjoy this. If you want to know how to do this, check out my last stream on YouTube. Otherwise, I'll be back and we're going to be doing Grok deep dives and stuff in a sec. So yeah, just bear with me. All right. Yo, Tipo, what's up? Okay. Yeah, so if you guys didn't see that last video, we did a bunch of these images to PS2 graphics. Here's the two for Nick. They uploaded, let's show you the source. Him holding a football and him playing football. And he turned into this football player, FIFA style, and these football players, FIFA style. We also did GTA style for Mungie and Zelda style for Toprak. Did we do any more? Oh yeah, the selfie for Mungie. Yeah. Thanks for everyone for submitting your photos. I'm gonna go live on Instagram really quickly. Just, you know, get some more views up. Get some more views up. If you ain't following me on Instagram, please do. Same handle and such. Public audience. Get that stream key. Alex, what's up? I'll read your message in a sec. What are you saying, my bruh? Any advice to make an LLM oriented on one language, fine-tuning using LoRa? Honestly, I don't know. In my experience, like, fine-tuning isn't that effective. Actually, the Lorax one said it was. I don't know. I've never done much LLM fine-tuning, so I'm probably not the best person to ask on that. Sorry, Alex. Please make a tutorial to install Grok. Grok is a 3 billion parameter model. There's no way any consumer hardware can run that. Sorry, what did I say? 3 billion? 300 billion. It's like 330 billion parameter model. So yeah, it's not like feasible to run Grok locally. Okay, let's see. We get the TikTok stream, please. Yes, okay, good. Live on Instagram as well. Let's go. Okay, so Grok deep dive. So I saw this post by Andrew. Interestingly, Andrew is also the guy who had the first person to be able to demo Devon, which was super interesting. Like, I don't know what kind of connections this guy has and how he's so, you know, clouded up, but I'm jealous, to be honest. Obviously, they're very knowledgeable. Looks like they work at LangChain, Dropbox, and Nomic AI, and was a alumni at Stanford. So obviously a very smart person. Yeah, so they did a deep dive onto Grok's architecture, which is great. So let's see what makes Grok kind of unique, special, and different by reading their post. Okay, the basics. So yeah, it's a 314 billion parameter model. It's a mixture of experts model with 8 experts and 2 active at every given time. I assume that's what that means. With 86 active parameters. It's using what's called rotary embeddings instead of fixed positional embeddings. That's interesting. I'm not sure exactly what that means. Yo, it's Squeaky for Loops. Thanks for the follow. So we can ask ChatGPT, can you explain rotary embeddings for an LLM? Squeaky for loose, what's up? At this point, I believe that he might be getting money under the table to promote Devon. Yeah, well, there's definitely some kind of, you know, insider partnership or something, right? Ooh, 3.5. Okay, so rotary embeddings enhance the performance of language models in simpler terms. Why am I using 3.5? Let's use GPT-4. Can you explain rotary embeddings for an embedding in simple in a simple, concise manner? Have I heard of payload CMS? I have not. What's that? Dude, GPT-4 is so slow these days. I guess because it's not 4 turbo. I don't know. I don't know why it's so slow. Yo, M strings, thanks for following. Okay, rotary embeddings help understand the positional order of words in a sentence. I don't know. These are very good explanations. Mox, thanks for following. Rotary position embeddings, or ROPE, is a type of position embedding which encodes absolute positional information with a rotation matrix, naturally incorporates explicit relative position, and dude, explain like I'm 5. ELI 5. Do I have Claude Opus access? I don't have Claude Pro, but I have tried Claude Opus on their playground. Yo, Panic Attack, what's up? What am I doing today? We are researching Grok. We're researching Gemini 1. We're trying Gemini 1.5 for the first time. Gonna be going a bit deeper on how I did the knowledge base for the email draft video. We're checking out Anthropic metaprompt. I guess this is the same as this. And we probably won't get to the rest. And before, if you didn't catch my previous stream, because I have been streaming for a while, we made a bunch of PS2 images from normal images. So this is Monji's input image, and we turned it into this PS2 GTA style image. That was super fun, and I kind of did a tutorial on how you can run this locally. The $5 free API trial, yeah, that's what I tried in their playground. Muhammad Ali, where am I from? Australia. Bro, this is not explained like I'm 5. I like giving words a special dance move to do together so they understand each other better. Normally people might see words in a straight line, making it hard to see who's connected to whom. With rotary embeddings, people start to rotate or dance around each other, making it easier to see who's friends with who. Oh, that's a pretty cool explanation. Even if they're not standing next to each other, this dancing helps the model understand the sentence better, like figuring out the difference between I saw a man on a hill with a telescope and I saw a man on a hill with a dog. The dance help clarify who is doing what to whom. Okay. So that's one aspect of Grok. The second is their tokenizer vocabulary size. It's similar to GPT-4 with about 131,000 and an embedding size of 6,000. With 64 transformer layers, which I guess is a lot because they've written sheesh. Each layer has a decoder layer, multi-head attention block, and dense block. So this is like quite technical. I don't know. Like, to be honest, I'm not very technical on the LLM architecture. yeah, it's 4 times bigger than Llama 2, I think. Oh no, what's the second biggest one? Llama 65B. Yeah. This has a bit of a deep dive, I don't know. It doesn't really mean much to me. It's not like I'm going to be architecting an LLM. But yeah, I guess for the people that it does mean something to, they've probably looked into it themselves. What's this one? Oh, this is kind of not relevant, but I think this guy made a kind of
smart glasses. That's why me. Hey, it's Nick again. Thousands of people used Humane. Thank you all so much. A lot of people asked us to put it on smart glasses. That's why.
Oh, I guess he's a developer at Humane, which is like that pin, the device where you can tap it and ask questions and it has a camera. And I guess now he made a glasses version.
Humane smart glasses. It works very simple. It has a button, a camera, and a display here. As always, you just talk to someone in a conversation, click a button like this, it takes a picture of the person, and then shows all the information about them here on the display. Let me demonstrate what it found on myself. Nick Shevchenko, entrepreneur, likes hardware, books, and dancing, and you can engage the conversation very, very quickly.
It knows about people?
Put all the files on GitHub if this gets at least 200,000 views, so share it all with your friends, and let's build cool hardware together.
Did it get? Oh, it didn't get anywhere near 200,000. Well, kind of close. I'll repost it so it gets a little bit of more traction. I don't have that many followers though on Twitter, unfortunately. Okay, Gemini 1.5. Apparently that's public now. So let's see if we can try it. Where can we try it? Gemini. Oh, Gemini. Gemini.google.com. Toprak says, I think he just uploaded his face to a database. Yeah. Well, it has to be getting it from somewhere. It could do like a reverse search. Gemini Advanced. Is that 1.5? Should we pay for it? Let's see. No, 1.0. That's not 1.5. Someone told me 1.5 Ultra, you could access it. How to try Gemini 1.5 Ultra. Is now available for private preview in Google AI Studio. Okay, where's Google AI Studio? Could we try it here? Let's see. Google AI Studio. We've updated, including access to 1.5 Pro. Is this 1.5 Pro? How can we tell? Browser window too narrow. Yes! Oh, awesome, guys. So I think we all have access to Gemini 1.5 Pro if you go to aistudio.google.com. Very nice. Ronald Duck says, can you use the picture with Google Lens using glasses? What do you mean? Which glasses? Toprak told me, yes. Okay, thank you, Toprak. Yeah, I knew someone told me. I forgot who it was. 1.5 is on Poe as well. Oh, cool. Didn't know that. Okay, so we have 1.5 Pro. So the cool thing about 1.5 Pro that sets it apart from everything else is its context window. Gemini 1.5 Pro context window. I think it has a 1 million token context window, if I'm not wrong. Let's see. Yes, 1 million token context window. And to put that in context, the next closest thing is Claude with 200k. So 1 million is like 5 times as big as the next one, and it's multimodal with video and audio as well. So that is super cool. Although the video is blocked out. So I have some video here. It would probably take a while to upload it. Let me find some videos. Do I have any tutorials? Notebook LM, Grok Labs, Studio, uploaded. Oh, where's that AutoGen one? AutoGen Studio. Okay, yeah, AutoGen Studio 2.0. I want to see if anyone like shared their skills. That definitely needs to be some. So I did a kind of like little tutorial about AutoGen Studio 2. Let's see if I can upload this. It's only 10 minutes. So it won't fully tell you, but won't fully give you the whole capability of Gemini, because Gemini can take up to an hour of footage, but I guess nothing else can really analyze videos, so it'll still be something. Can I just drag and drop this? Okay, yeah, here? AutoGen Studio 2.0. Nope. Maybe you can't upload photos in this. Can you? Top right, do you know? Click on chat, it opens a video upload option. Chat. Where do I click chat? Create new chat. Oh, here we go. It said audio, but I guess it wasn't an option here, but you probably could just drag and drop it. Let me upload. Ooh. It's getting me to auth, interestingly. Upload. Video, upload. Here we go. AutoGen Studio 2. It's 500 megs, so this might take a little while. Oh, it's going pretty fast. Like Google Glasses. I don't think Google Glasses is a thing anymore, Ronald Duck. Lunar, hey man, have you tried weave.chasm.net for workflow automation? Is it better than Make? No, I haven't tried it. People in my Discord have been recommending N8N as an alternative for Make. Build complex automations 10 times faster without APIs. And you can host this yourself, which is really cool. Otherwise, I think they have a way to use their own hosting. But yeah, we're just uploading a video now to ask Gemini some questions about video. You know when you search by image with Google? Yes. Do you know one of the glasses can... Yeah, no, theoretically that's definitely possible. I think there might be an image search API. So the glasses I'm looking forward to is brilliant.xyz. It's going to be open source. Whereas like the Ray-Ban Metas, no, you can't use Google. They don't let you write your own code or do your own API. They were going to add their own Meta AI, but it's not good, or it's not rolled out fully. Also, context is written at the bottom. You can say it says 1 million. Oh, sweet. Oh yeah, here we go. Preview the context amount. Oop. Okay, sorry, I just broke everything. 1 sec. Here we go. Oh, you still can't see that. Never mind. Thibaut, what's up? Okay. We've uploaded my video. Now there's a bunch of things I could get the video to do. Like something that I'll probably actually use is like turning a video into a LinkedIn post. So that might be what I asked to do it first, or then as someone asked before, I think it might have been Toprak, is turn a video into a tutorial, like a text tutorial. So that's pretty cool as well. Yo, Jax, any LLM or RAG info you suggest which can be integrated with SQL databases? Good question. None that I can recommend off the top of my head, but I'm sure they exist. Like you could make your own with like LangChain or Llama Index. But if you want a service that already exists, I feel like Lindy AI was an interesting. I don't want to chat with it. I just want to see the landing page. Oh, they won't let me see the landing. Lindy AI is kind of like an assistant that you can link with services, which I thought was cool. Let's see if they have a SQL database one. Where are the actions? Here. SQL. Yeah. Get tables, execute query. So that's pretty cool. Lindy AI. Maybe check that one. Okay. We've uploaded my video. Looks like it's still processing though. DNP, what's up? What am I doing? I'm testing out Gemini 1.5. It's just like ChatGPT, but it's got a few differences that make it better. One being it's got a 1 million context size, 1 million token context size, so it can keep a whole lot more in context. And two, it can analyze videos. So I've just uploaded a video here and I'm going to ask it some questions, but it seems like it's still processing it, so we'll just give it some time. Nupo, thanks for the follow. Also, you can enter the prompt right next to it. Where? I can't really type here. Should I make this bigger? There's no opportunity for me to type yet. I'm assuming it's still processing. Oh no, here. Oh, there we go. Turn this video into a LinkedIn post. I'm gonna just type that in the chat box at the bottom. Yeah, thanks, Toprak. Jack says, I've been trying to make my own with vector databases and mixture of experts integrated multimodals. Nice. Any idea about the best image to text LLM API? Probably GPT-4 Vision. Tien says, enter next to the video. Yeah, thanks, Tien. I figured it out. I can't run it yet because I assume it's still processing, so we'll give it some time. Yo, Jax, thanks for the follow. Appreciate you. While we're doing that, let's see what else we got that we can do next. Oh yeah, I was gonna do Anthropic metaprompt. So apparently the way you prompt, okay, I guess we can do that at the same time. The way you prompt Claude is actually kind of different to how you would prompt ChatGPT. So one thing I know is Claude actually works well with like XML kind of prompting, which is really interesting. Okay, so they have this thing called the Anthropic metaprompter. Let's have a read about that. Sometimes the hardest part of an AI is figuring out how to prompt it. To help with this, we've created an experimental metaprompt that can guide Claude to generate high-quality prompts tailored to your specific task. To use the metaprompt, follow the instructions in the collab. Oh. That's so weird. Why would they have their metaprompter in a Google Colab instead of like their own kind of service? They have a doc about prompt engineering as well. I need to pee, guys. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Yo, Mahmoud asks, will this work in a temp vector database? Will what work? Sorry, I think I missed that previous. What we were talking about before. Anthropic devs are lazy. Yeah. Did Gemini? Okay, Gemini processed my video. Excellent. I'm gonna ask it to turn it into a LinkedIn post. Let's see. Can you please tell me the name of the glasses again? It was brilliant.xyz, Ronald Duck. Well, that's the website anyway. It's by Brilliant Labs. Image to text, if you mean image to prompt, use Comfy. I guess they mean Comfy UI with these nodes. Uform Gen 2, WD Tagger, Lava Captioner. So that's pretty much Lava is the model that's doing the image to text. Takes more than a minute sometimes to get a response. Well, I guess it kind of makes sense if it's processing a whole video. This is like a 500 megabyte video. Apparently it takes up 100,000 tokens. So I guess it's not too surprising. But yeah, we'll let it go. Yep, it's definitely taken more than a minute. It's fine. You can do that. I can't be bothered really doing the meta prompting stuff, to be honest, or reading the prompt engineering techniques. We go quickly for them. Be clear, use examples, give Claude a role, use XML tags. Yeah, see, chain prompts. Yep, let Claude think step by step. Start Claude's response with a few words. Ooh, this is cool. Pre-fill. So you can start the response. Let's see if they have an example of that. Control the format. Ask Claude for rewrites, request revisions. Optimize prompts to take advantage of a longer context. Do they have an example for the pre-fill? Oh, I guess this is only in an API, so you can't really do that in the chat. So they pre-fill with an open curly bracket, and that helps it respond in JSON. Oh, and they just do it like that. Interesting, right? Client create. Very interesting. Otherwise, it's pretty similar to the ChatGPT guide. I guess the difference is the XML tags and the pre-fill. I don't know if you can pre-fill with the OpenAI API as well. Oh, sweet. Here we go. Here's a LinkedIn post. Oh no. No, it's not. Sorry, I need to sneeze. I'll be glad to help you craft a LinkedIn post. But first they need context. What's a central theme? Okay. So I guess that's a good thing. They're asking for some questions. Let's answer the questions. Video topic. What is AutoGen 2.0? Target audience. Small business / entrepreneurs / tech enthusiasts. Desired action. Come up with ideas to use AutoGen Studio 2.0. Okay, here we go. So hopefully it'll be faster this time because it's already processed the video, but I don't know if that's exactly gonna be the case or not. Did you try Olama with common model compared to GPT-4? So I have tried local models compared to GPT-4, Gemini, and Claude. They're a lot worse, but they're still good at basic tasks. I didn't use Olama though. I'd use LM Studio, but I've heard Olama's better. Yo, Nicholas, thanks for subbing. We're probably almost at 3,000 subs. Are we? Yo, guys, if you're not subbed on my YouTube, please sub. I'm trying to get 3,000 and we're so close. I think we're like 40 off. Let's see. 32. 32 more subs, please. Bro, thanks for the follow. Oh yeah, we're almost. Twitch is a bit different. Twitch, it's like you need average of 3 viewers, which I don't really get. Maybe I should keep my own Twitch open for me to become like an affiliate, which I don't know if that's even a good thing. Like if you're an affiliate on Twitch, does that mean you can only stream to Twitch? Because I definitely do want to continue streaming on YouTube and stuff. Well, I don't really know exactly how it works. Where's the... I don't know how we find all that stuff. But yeah, whatever. It's not a big deal. Okay, here's the LinkedIn post. It's too big. This is have you ever... Attention small businesses, entrepreneurs and tech enthusiasts. Have you ever dreamed of building software? Oh, this is actually a pretty decent LinkedIn post. It's pretty cool. I could feed all my videos here. And so this was all for free. I don't know how much usage they give you. Do you know Top Rock? You have a free Prime subscription. Nice. Carson followed, thanks. You can fine tune a model as well, apparently. Save that. Yeah, I don't know how much usage they give you. I can't really find anything about that. It's pretty cool. You can also select data for fine tuning a model really easily, it seems, with Gemini. Okay, you can only fine tune Gemini 1.0, but still pretty sick. Trev's gonna sub. Thank you, Trev. Appreciate you. In your post. Toprak says I think it's infinite. Wow. I might as well just keep using Gemini Pro. Create another LinkedIn post from these videos. I might do another one now that we're here. Hey Jen, LinkedIn post. Let's see. Video upload. Hey Jen. Alright, while that's uploading, let's see what we should do next. Stream. I'm gonna stream for another like 15 minutes. Did all this. Mesa AI. Oh, actually, what happened to the knowledge base? Oh, we forgot to do that. Yes, okay, so in my video, let me quickly give you guys some context. I made a video about an auto email responder. I'll show you the diagram. Easy to use, simple, no-code platform. Once the email comes into make.com, we're going to be sending the email to an OpenAI assistant. OpenAI has the best AI models at the moment, so we're going to be utilizing their services. A particular one called the assistants that they can make, which have access to a knowledge base, and this knowledge base can be made up of previous sent emails or facts and knowledge that you have. So because I didn't show the knowledge base part of this tutorial on TikTok, I got a lot of people asking about it. So we're just going to do a little bit of a deep dive on like how that part works. So yeah, let's do that real quickly. Hayden, what's up? Thoughts on future RAG as model context improves over time? Yeah, so Hayden, great question. I think that, yeah, as the context window grows, there's less need for RAG. But RAG is still going to be useful for situations where, you know, you have heaps of data, more than a context window. So it's just going to be a race. But yeah, so for like right now, 1 million context window, that's big enough for most, like a lot of systems to not need a RAG system. But obviously there'll still be situations where You'll need a rag. Is there possible to see this file? Okay. Doesn't look like it. Fortunately, it doesn't let you download the files. But yeah. Go check my assistant. Yeah, you can see it, but you can't download it. It just takes you here. And there's no way to download the file, which is fine. I think I might have it on my computer. Let me see if I can find the file on my computer. I think I actually probably deleted it, to be honest. Knowledge. Yeah, I think I deleted it. So it's just like, this was so simple. I did show it on the YouTube video, so I'm going to show it on the YouTube video again. The one text file, and the one I used was just a simple text file here. It was just a simple email. Damn, you can't really see that. Sorry everyone on Instagram, I'm just going to do this for my own thing. It's a simple email saying, hey, thanks for reaching out. And then like 2 sample emails surrounded by tildes. That was my whole knowledge base, and it was able to use that really effectively. Now, I think someone asked, like, what about heaps of sent emails? And I said that's a great question. And there's one way that you can export all sent emails on Gmail. Let me show you quickly how to do that. Yeah, Google Takeout is what it's called. So if you just Google Takeout, you sign in to Google Takeout. Hopefully I don't dox anything. Let me just do this on the side, because yeah. So this is Google Takeout, and then you can select what to take out. So we'll deselect all, and pretty much if you're doing just one for email, you find Gmail here. Find mail. You can click mail, and instead of including all email, deselect that, select all, deselect all, and you can just do just sent emails. Click OK, and scroll down to the bottom, click next step, and you can say send the download link via email. And you can do this export every now and then as a zip file. Yeah, and then this will export all your sent emails on Gmail, and then you can convert that to a text file and just upload it to the knowledge base assistant in the files here. And then your assistant will have access to all your sent emails, and you can say in your prompt, you use data from past responses to make a new response, and then it will, read your knowledge base when it's creating replies for emails. Yeah, I hope that helps. Let's see how my LinkedIn post here goes. Okay, create a LinkedIn post from this video. It is directed to content creators and tech enthusiasts. This is sick. Okay. Let's see what else we can do. That was a knowledge base. Whoa, that was super fast. HeyGen is a revolutionary. Could be like, add a clickbait starting sentence and finish with space, with 15 space. No, let's do 10 space separated hashtags. Okay, what is Mesa AI? Oh yes, this thing. How long? Okay, let me just quickly upload this. This tool will change content creation forever. Okay, that's good enough. I'm gonna make a LinkedIn post here, guys. Bear with me. The dead internet. Oh, this looks shit as. Let's get ChatGPT to format this better. Format this LinkedIn post with emojis. Why did they add a separator? Mahmoud says, I think maintaining context to add and change certain info will be harder than embedding flat files. Interesting. Okay, here we go. LinkedIn. Yeah, LinkedIn. Where's that Hey Gen picture video? Here. Game changer. Got multilingual Chinese in Hindi. Could we do at HeyGen? Is that a thing? It is. All right, post. Whatever. I like never post on LinkedIn. Oh yeah, Mesa. So Mesa has made a KPU. So I think that's like a piece of hardware. Anthropic sent me a connection on LinkedIn. Nice, I'll probably accept it. It's the world's most advanced reasoning system for LLMs that overcomes their intrinsic limitations. So I don't know how a piece of hardware can help reasoning. Or maybe it's not. I think it might be like some software or an architecture. Treating LLM as reasoning, as the reasoning core of the system with a novel architecture capable of solving end-to-end complex tasks without hallucinations and context limits, which is a very big claim, saying that they solve hallucinations. They have a virtual context window, no more counting tokens or data limits. By decoupling the reasoning process from data processing, the KPU multimodal content and large files, the KPU manages multimodal content and large files from input to output. It leverages all the reasoning power of the LLM. What was that sound? Oh, it was my LinkedIn post. Yay, LinkedIn. So apparently forget about hallucinations. That's a very big claim. KPU always provides reliable and trustable results. Able to interact with external systems and process data without limitations. Very big claims. Toprak says it's just a fancy RAG. Is that so, or are you just guessing? Okay, so let's read their technical report. Hallucinations. When a query is given to an LLM, the veracity of the response cannot be 100% guaranteed, no matter how many billions of parameters. This is due to intrinsic token generating nature of the model. Okay, yep, this is the current state. Attention mechanism. Pre-training limits the data up to a certain date. Yep. Limited capability to interact with the digital world. Can't external services. Yep. Okay, so this is our architecture. Unlimited multimodal data comes into a KPU, which has a virtual context window, a reasoning engine, and an execution engine that talks to an LLM, which is separate from the KPU. Also can talk to external systems and services, and it outputs unlimited multimodal data and actions. Okay, it sounds great, but it's just like, how? Okay, so the reasoning engine is the brain, orchestrates a step-by-step plan to resolve the user's tasks. It relies on an LLM or VLM. What's a VLM? Virtual language model? The LLM is plug and play, currently extensively tested with GPT-4 Turbo. The execution engine receives commands from the reasoning engine, which it executes and whose results is sent back to the reasoning engine. The virtual context window manages the input and output of data information between the reasoning engine and the execution engine. In that way, the LLM context window underlying the reasoning engine is maintained only with reasoning and not with data, maximizing the value of tokens. They don't have a demo or anything? I don't think so. It's just this paper. They have benchmarks, which can we even trust? To be honest, it's really hard to understand exactly how this works. Yo, Seraphrine Malik, what's up? Video learning, I guess. Yeah, video learning would be great, but it still doesn't answer like how they exactly work. Yeah, on these benchmarks, apparently the KPU GPT-4 Turbo Zero Shot outperforms all the other big models. And on the math benchmark as well. What benchmark was this one? I guess that's also math reasoning. Yeah, but no like demo or anything. So yeah, it just outperforms all the other big models on every benchmark they show here. GSM-8, drop, math, BBH, multi-step arithmetic, Boolean expressions. Currently in beta development. Yeah, I mean, we don't know. Capabilities, file interpreter, transform any file into AI ready data. I guess just multimodal. Extract, compare, summarize. Yo, Yash Patel, good to see you as well. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see if anyone on Twitter has talked or shown a demo. Mesa AI. Oh, that's a new message. Mesa AI. Oh yeah, and also Apple released multimodal LLM. Oops. Oh, demo time. Here we go. Wait. Let's go back to the start. Okay, so it's a CLI. Wait, do they have sound? No sound. There's a order CSV that they upload, a CSV full of data. Answer customer's email, send it to this. So they've given an email along with a bunch of data, and they say answer the email. The process begins by focusing on understanding the content of the email. After understanding the need to comprehend the customer's email, next step involves directly accessing and reading the content. After reading the email, the next step is to gather specific information. Having gathered the necessary information. Okay, so I guess it's just like a software system that kind of steps through things step by step. Mahmoud says, do you have a Discord? Yes, the link's in my bio. Toprak says I signed up and they give free credits. Maybe you can try. To Mesa AI? Really? Should I sign up? That's pretty interesting. If it's that much better, join the waitlist. I think I might have already signed up. There we go. Oh, it also sends the email as well. That's pretty cool. There's also a sign up on the page other than the waitlist. Really? Yo, Top Rag with the freaking insider knowledge in a technical report. Let's see. There's a sign in. Sign in. Sign up. Ooh, the hack. Man with the hacks. Let's go. Shit, we just hacked their waitlist. I don't know what capabilities. Oh, you get an API key. Which I didn't store. Let me just put that somewhere, just in case. Just in case. Okay, continue. Dashboard. Oh shit, you do. You get access. You can just sign up and skip the waitlist. You get $1.20 in credit. Playground? Oh no, you need to be on the waitlist to be in the playground. Yeah, okay. Okay. Pretty cool. Yo, Matt Scholl, how's it going? Doing good. How did I do? Good. We did some research this stream. Previous stream was more fun. Did the PS2 graphics. I really enjoyed that. But yeah, I'm losing steam, so I might kind of call it here. And we'll pick up next stream. Thanks everyone that was watching. Please make sure you sub to my YouTube. Trying to get 3K subs. We're almost there. I just need like 30 more people. 32 more people. And yeah. Hope you have a good day or night wherever you are. And I will catch y'all later. Peace.